Lindbergh impact. Impact is
Creative.
imaginative,
To justify.
Flexible.
Fun.
challenging,
Self-motivated.
Different.
The goal at Impact is to help students learn while connecting to the world through their own personal, local, and global interests. How is learning at Impact different?
Learning and impact is different because you see how it's all interconnected with every single facet of your life. You can see how what you're learning in English is connecting to what you're learning in government and vice versa. And it shows you why learning these things have an impact on the everyday around you, since you're also trying to get impact competencies where you see the local, personal, and global impacts of what you're learning and how you can use that in the real world.
Students are enrolled in seminars that cover content together. For example, students can take a seminar to earn credit in English, art, and government at the same time. Students learn about propaganda to earn government credit, create propaganda poster for art credit, and explain what they learned in an essay about propaganda to earn an English credit. Tell us about cross-curricular learning in Impact.
One project that I did that I really enjoyed was one where we had to recreate a sea creature that was damaged from different trash in the environment. And we got to look at little brine shrimp and study how plastic affects them. And then for our project, we made a turtle out of plastic and paper and turned out really good.
Impact students earn the same credits as students in traditional classes. Students attend Impact seminars during the afternoon and traditional classes in the morning. Tell us about your time when you designed your own learning activity in Impact.
For our most recent end of cycle, we had a timeline project, and I thought that doing a normal timeline was a little bit boring, so I decided to make some parodies to Hamilton songs. I did a parody to Alexander Hamilton, Aaron Burser, My Shot, and The Story of Tonight. So it ended up being a 12-minute long video, but it was super fun and I'm so proud of my work.
How did designing your own learning activity help you better understand the content?
I definitely had a deeper understanding of our topics in general, definitely the Constitution, and definitely all of our events that we went over on our normal timeline.
What are competencies and how do you use them in Impact?
Competencies define what skills we need to learn. We have a list for each course so we can choose how we can and want to learn.
How do I earn the Diploma Plus designation? Students can earn Diploma Plus through community-based projects. Who should join Impact? Students who want more choice in the learning, cross-curricular learning opportunities, and a chance to make impact in the world around you.